Welcome back, and today we are going to discuss the bishop, and we're going to talk about how it moves, how many points it's worth, how it attacks, and I hope this will be informative and fun for you to be able to watch. So let's continue on. As you can see, I've set up the board with just the pieces that we're using today, and you have the bishops are on either side of the king and the queen. And you have one that is on the darker square and one that's on the lighter square, okay? And the same way for um, the darker pieces as well. The bishops are next to the royalty, all right? Now, the bishop moves in a diagonal fashion only, okay? So actually, I did that wrong. Let's start with the white's turn because the white always goes first. And I'll just move here instead. Black moves to here. Okay, you have again two bishops, one on the lighter squares and one on the darker squares, and they are only assigned to those. Okay, so they only move diagonally either way. And let me get the king and queen out of the way so you can kind of see here. All right, so um, these pieces, all of them are worth 3 points. Okay, I can move to here. You can move as far as you can go. And once again, in the same scenario, the bishops can attack wherever they are able to move. Okay, now I think it's time for a little question for the day and a little wrap up. So let me ask you this a little bit harder question. I mentioned that the bishop is worth 3 points and that there are two bishops for each side. There's one in the black squares and one in the lighter squares. Um, so let me ask you this. Can a bishop that is on white squares ever attack and capture a bishop that's on the black squares? And explain your answer in the box. Have a great day.